Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to completely disable Gemini AI on your Samsung phone. So normally if you press and hold the power button for seconds, this will open up the shutdown menu. But on these new Samsung phones, if you press and hold the power button for seconds, it will open the Gemini AI app. So the new way to restart or turn off your Samsung phone is to hold the volume down and the power button, and this will open up the shutdown menu. So for us not to be pressing these two buttons to get the shutdown menu, what you have to do is you have to open your phone menu and swipe up until you see the Gemini AI app. Now long press on the app and select the eye next to the name app there. So once you do that, it will bring you to the app info. So right at the bottom here, you should be able to see either disable or uninstall. So as you can see right here, we only have the disable option. So proceed and tap on it, and this will disable the app. So now let's go back and press the power button for a couple of seconds, and you'll see that it opened the Gemini AI again. So the next step you have to take is to open your phone settings and then scroll down until you find advanced features. So proceed and tap on it, and from here you have to select side button. So now select long press and switch to power off menu. So this will disable the Gemini AI from the power button. So now let's go back and press the power button for a second, and you see that it brings up the shutdown menu. And this is how you can disable the Gemini AI from your power button. And I hope this tutorial helped you, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and comment as well. And I will see you on the next tutorial soon. Peace.